Just listen to this. Leftovers don't gotta be boring. Who said they had to be boring? Not us. Welcome back with Ari and Lisa. Now what do I say?
Let's talk about leftovers.
Let's talk about leftovers. So many people don't like leftovers or think you shouldn't eat leftovers, or what do I do with these leftovers? Or maybe you just don't have enough food to feed everyone. In our last video, we made chicken, cheese, and rice. I know you saw that. I know it was yummy. I know it was good. Period. But this time, we're taking our leftovers from our chicken, cheese, and rice and making something special, new, and good. We're gonna show you how to switch it up a couple ways, and you can even make lunch for your husband the next day. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today, why'd you leave? Ooh la la, caliente. You're gonna want to take some rice. You take the rice and you put it on your plate, but don't really put it on top of the burrito. But that works. That works. Just doing it like that. I think it's a bit hot. So you just plate it like that. Okay. Voila. Now we're gonna do a cutting. And a little hot sauce. I need salsa. Yum. Yum. Okay. I'm gonna do it in breakfast. If you would like more recipes from us, Lisa and Ariana, I'm Ariana if you didn't know, that's Lisa. This lovely picture is Lisa. And if you would like some more recipes from us, I suggest that you would like and share and copy link and comments and all of the above. Share this video, share it with someone because they would love these recipes such as the burrito, like you just saw, and chicken, cheese and rice, which is so yummy. So bloody yummy. But you should definitely subscribe and like and comment and share this video for more tips on how to make yummy food. Bye!